Text, Beltone HearMax app, how to request service with Beltone Remote Care. Logo, Beltone. Image of Earth with an upward curved arrow on one side and a downward curved arrow on the other. Text, open the Beltone HearMax app. Graphic, Beltone app on cell phone screen. An animated finger appears at the My Beltone feature at the bottom of the screen. Text, tap My Beltone. A new page appears on the screen with several options. The animated finger appears at the Request Assistance prompt. Text, tap Request Assistance. A new page appears on the screen. The animated finger appears at the bottom by the Start prompt. Text, tap Start. Several questions appear on screen with yes or no response options. Text, answer the questions. Tap Next. If you answer yes to any of these questions, contact your hearing care professional because the issue cannot be resolved through Beltone Remote Care. A new screen shows a list of options. Text, define your problem by selecting from the list of potential problems. On the screen there are 6 different problems listed as well as an option labeled, Other. Text, in this example, the patient indicates the sound is too loud and too sharp, teeny or shrill. Select the options that best represent the problem you are experiencing. Tap Next. The animated finger runs down the screen and selects too loud, and then too sharp, tinny or shrill. Then the animated finger appears at the bottom right of the screen and taps Next. Text, define when the problem occurs. In this example, the patient indicates the problem is occurring in certain environments, parentheses, noise. Select the options that best represent the problem you are experiencing. Tap Next. The animated finger runs down the 3 options which are, in certain environments, with specific sounds, and all the time. It selects in certain environments and specifies, noise, in the drop-down menu of options. Then the finger appears at the bottom right of the screen and taps Next. A new page appears on the screen with a variety of options. Text, define severity, site and program. In this example, the patient indicates the problem is annoying, occurs in both ears and in the outdoor and music programs. Select the options that best represent the problems you are experiencing. Tap Next. The animated finger runs down the screen selecting annoying, both ears, and outdoor and music programs. Then it appears at the bottom right of the screen and taps Next. A new page appears on the screen. Text, type an optional personal message to your hearing care professional and tap Send Request. The animated finger appears at the bottom of the screen and taps Send Request. Text, you will receive an auto-reply message from your hearing care professional to confirm the request has been submitted. Tap Close. This shows a sample auto-reply. On your phone, the auto-reply will contain a different message from your hearing care professional. You will receive a notification when your hearing care professional has responded to your request. The animated finger appears at the bottom of the screen and taps Close. Logo, Beltone. Inside a circular blue graphic with horizontal stripes is a small blue dot. A thin white line curves around the upper part of the dot and flows downward, giving the overall impression of an ear. Text, learn more at www.beltone.com. Copyright 2017 GN Hearing Care Corporation.